The Earth came into existence approximately 5 billion years ago, and the process of its formation lasted millions of years. It all began with a colossal cloud of gas and dust in space, called the solar nebula. This cloud consisted mainly of hydrogen, helium, and small amounts of heavier elements. Under the influence of gravity, the solar nebula started to collapse inward upon itself. As it collapsed, it started spinning, eventually forming a flat, rotating disk. The majority of the material collected at the center, which eventually became our sun. Meanwhile, the remaining material in the disk began to stick together, forming tiny particles. Over time, these particles collided and merged, gradually forming larger bodies known as planetesimals. Some planetesimals continued to grow larger. As they collided and combined with others, these bigger bodies, including the early Earth, became protoplanets. As the Earth expanded in size, it began to heat up due to the energy generated by collisions, compression, and radioactive decay. The intense heat caused the Earth to partially melt, allowing the heavier materials like iron and nickel to sink to the center, forming the core. The lighter materials subsequently formed the mantle and crust. An event of great significance occurred early in Earth's history when it collided with a Mars-sized object called Theia. The debris from this impact eventually gathered together to form the Moon. Once the collision subsided, the Earth's surface started to cool, resulting in the formation of a solid crust. Volcanic activity released gases into the atmosphere, which contributed to the early composition of the atmosphere. As water vapor condensed, it formed the Earth's oceans. Over billions of years, the Earth's crust broke into tectonic plates. These plates moved and collided, leading to the creation of continents and mountains. With stable conditions in place, simple life forms began to emerge in the oceans. Over time, these life forms evolved into the diverse array of plants, animals, and other organisms that have inhabited the Earth. The entire process of the Earth's formation, from the solar nebula to the formation of our planet, occurred over an extensive period of millions to billions of years. It involved numerous stages and intricate interactions